Top Step
Mm.
Trader.
What is going on? I'm getting everyone's A game today. This is
Baron.
absolutely
Baron, I got my money on Baron. Dre and
Okay.
for
Baron in the
what?
ring,
I
in the
I
octagon. Put him in
appreciate
the
it.
Oh,
octagon. Put him in the octagon. What's up, Hogan? Hogan's coming in better.
what's up?
Starting to look a little better.
Oh yeah, see,
Ooh,
Yeah.
ooh, I got one of those.
What's that?
Oh,
Dakota,
Yeah,
you do
I'll
not have a tattoo.
oh, let's see if I can shut it. Yeah, yeah.
Wow, didn't know that.
Here we go.
What's
Ready?
happening right now?
It's
Killed a lot
scrape.
more on both of these right there.
Hold on, is that a tattoo or did you just wipe
No.
out on
No,
the
when
ice?
you
What is
box
going
and you have your guard up,
on? Oh,
they tattoo
yes.
it right here.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
that's
James, help me.
go every day.
Yeah.
You'll make that permanent. There you go. That's how you make a tattoo.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Dakota's
There's
world.
a few scars right here, and it's bruised up and bloody. I had a fat lip last night, so those frozen peas came in handy.
There you
Oh.
go.
So you're in Fight Club, man. You're straight up Fight Club. You're like this is where
Yeah,
you
it's
go
fun.
release your anger if you have any or your emotions.
No anger in boxing. It'll only get you more of these. It
Ooh.
only get you in trouble.
How much stuff in boxing relates over to trading?
All of it,
Give,
man.
give me the
I'd
top.
say
Give
so
me the
much of
top
it.
two things that relates over. Probably not swinging
Yep.
every swing.
No,
I mean,
Jab,
that's a
jab,
big
jab.
part.
Hey.
jab, jab,
Discipline and
jab.
emotions. Discipline and emotions. It's the same thing. If you get emotional and if you react out of emotions, you'll get caught off guard and rocked. And same with
bam.
discipline. If you don't have discipline, then it's the same exact thing. Same thing.
Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the nose,
Let's love it.
Correct.
Love that's the
Who
best.
said that, Sugar Ray?
right?
Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
I know that. Everybody.
Did you?
No.
I don't know. All right, here new highs. New highs. Nasdaq 40 points away from time highs. 23,222 all-time highs in the Nasdaq. ES still got about 30 points to go. Michael Barron's been giving me a lot of shit, man. A lot of shit today. He's
Dude,
moved.
I mean,
He's in a trader house. He's texting his ex, making money. He's long right now while texting his ex while on Top Step TV. And
I like his
busting
look.
my-
I like your new. I don't know if it's a new look. You've done this
We're
look.
cooking
I
here.
shaved my head.
You look.
I
You look
shaved my
good.
head. That's what it is.
I don't know. You
Thank
look.
you.
You're a good-looking guy. All right, got that over.
That's all nothing but love.
Yeah.
Nothing but love
There you
around
go.
here.
There you go.
Just made some new highs in the NQ 23,189.
Coda, would you?
I'm
Would
so
you? Speaking of getting in the ring, I know Dre get his ass kicked by Baron. Well, that one's not
Bro.
even, not even that one's not even a fight. Coda, would you?
I think
Who out
I
there
think
would
his
you get in the
fist might
ring
pop
with
out.
right now? Who out there would you
Was
get
that
in the
Anybody?
ring?
I'd get in the ring
Anybody?
with anyone. Weight class doesn't really matter unless it's close to like the same level of experience. I usually fight
How close a weight?
175.
You're
I usually
175.
fight 175. I walk around 180s, fight 175.
Would you say
I
you
I
walk
don't
around
have
180? Is that what the lingo is? Oh, I'm 175, but I
180s.
walk 180s. I
Yeah,
walk
yeah,
around.
yeah. There's a difference. There's a difference, MP. I walk around 180s,
Okay.
and then my fighting weight is 175. You cut to fight, you cut down. That's the standard.
I remember that. Those wrestlers in high school that wore the trash
I-
bags and on the bikes.
Yeah, I went to
Right.
school with
Hey,
an
new highs
Olympic wrestler who wrestled at 185. His walking around weight was like 215.
180, 215. Wow.
Well,
Mm.
I mean, like, but that's a world class wrestler.
Yeah.
All
Good
right.
guy
I
too.
want to squeeze it in here, James. But we're still making new highs here in the NQ, closing in on 23,200. Again, all-time highs 23,222. Baron is long from. Are you long from 25s? You long from 125?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yes, I am.
Baron. There you are, Baron. All right, Michael. As we continue to push higher here, Michael. I don't know if you heard, but the president and the Fed chair are going at it. The president wants Chairman Powell out. He wants him gone. Sayonara. But lo and behold, Michael, the Chairman Powell, Jerome Powell, did call into Top 7, left us a voicemail.
Good.
Would you
Good.
like
We
to?
need
Would
to
you like to
catch
hear it, Michael?
We need to catch up. Yes.
All
Hello,
right,
Top
let's-
Step
let's
TV. There was a bit of drama in the markets yesterday regarding the future of my employment. Let me make one thing crystal clear. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. You can call in the National Guard, the federales, the Avengers for all I care, but I'm not leaving. You think you can take my money gun? No. I'll take it away from you and stick it up your ass and pull the trigger until it goes click. You think I give a flying about $2 billion in renovations? I wouldn't bend down to pick $1 billion up off the sidewalk. Bottom line, it's my house, my rules. And you're all living in Daddy's house until May 2026. So do your chores, say your prayers, and shut the up. Or I'll take off my purple tie and give you something to really cry about. I hope this clears up any confusion. Powell out.
Hell out,
Oh,
man.
indeed out.
There you go, Michael.
Wow.
God, he's got a little.
Powell-
He's got a little anger in him right now. I think
He's not
he's
leaving.
A
frustrated.
little edge. Little edge.
He's not
Little
going
Ed.
anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, he is. Yeah, Powell is not going anywhere, Michael. So it is a feud to play out in front of everybody. It's amazing that he
Okay,
called
put
into
it
us.
put in the chat. I want to understand. Should the Feds be lowering rates right now? When was the last time they lowered rates?
Nope. I
December.
vote no.
You vote no, huh? Not even a quarter?
No.
Not yet.
25 basis. All right.
Nope.
Come on.
Bec-
Why?
you can't.
Hold on.
can't
I
go
need to
back.
pull. There's a lot of no's in here. Wow. Okay, Trey. I'm either out of touch or you guys
Wow.
are way in tune with the markets and the economy. Paul, put it in. Inflation is under control, yes or no?
Ish.
Not. We can't say that yet. It's
Well,
less
most
under
of it-
control than
We gotta wait for
employment
eggs
is.
to come down out of all of them.
Mostly.
Well, I
I'll
think
say
the
mostly.
eggs was just the start of the year because you had the bird flu that came down. Shelter should be coming down. But I mean, you saw a pop like the last 3 months it was under expectations, and then this last month
Oil
over
prices
expectation.
filling
So-
up cheap right now. I mean,
It's
Yeah.
it's
I
fluctuating.
mean, Q2 just ended, right? We have. To me, it's like we're getting inflation data. We're getting ready to get all these earnings from these companies for the first half of the year. And there's a lot. I'm more of the wait and see.
well,
It's
how
better
long
to.
how long do you? Because I think you can. I don't know. I do. They
Like-
rapidly increased. Okay, they got it under control. Did we have a soft landing? Remember the whole we're gonna have a soft landing. Are we still landing, or is it turbulent or not? I guess these are all the things.
I
It's a
think we're
much
90%
longer
of the
I
conversation.
gotta
way there.
tap the chart, guys. I gotta tap the chart again. If we go over to my charts, the 10. I think this is the big misunderstanding here, right? Is they're not just the Fed can't come in and say we cut rates 1% and everything across the curve it goes down 1%. That's not how it works.
Yeah.
This is the
No.
daily chart of 10-year yields. The last time when we cut a half was right here in September. What happened when we cut? Rates went up. Cut again in December, rates went up, although this is after Trump won, so that's part of that trade too. Right now, the Fed has mandates, two of them, right? Employment and inflation, the numbers they look at, like PCE and CPI, are still both running above 2%. Unemployment has been 4.1 or 4.2% for the last 14 months. So there's not a problem with employment. The employment numbers were good today. So
Mhm.
why would we stoke the flames of like we're already trading all-time highs across many asset classes right now? I just don't understand why we need it right now. They will cut probably in
Well,
September.
isn't the El Presidente? Isn't he all about it's lower? It's our debt, what we're paying out,
Yeah.
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 interest.
He wants,
We can
he wants
refinance
to
some of
pay
this.
cheaper
He's trying to
for our debt
refinance
with
his
the debt.
Yeah.
It's trying to
But the
refinance.
Fed,
old New
the
York
Fed
real
doesn't-
estate guy, always trying to
Like-
refi.
Exactly.
Yeah.
He's a real estate guy, so he likes low rates. But the Fed doesn't set. I mean, our debt is on markets, right? The Fed doesn't get to choose the price at which people want our debt.
Yeah.
So I think kind of showing that we're going to snap to inflation is going to be better for rates if we kind of like show that we are responsible with this. There's the spending element too.
Okay, what
Love to
about
spend.
the spending element of people wanting to buy a house right now? They're like, oh, the rates are so high. Becky, we should wait until what?
Well, I think with the housing, it's not just the rates are high; it's the home prices are high, insurance is high, and then you have rates. If you look at the the housing reports, there's a big disparity between the number of sellers and the number of buyers based off the last report. So those house prices should come down,
They're
just
always
based off.
high. They're always high. They're
Well,
always going to
housing
be
prices
high.
are
Look at Anne Marie in the chat. Her first house was at 16%. That's
yeah,
Well,
called life.
there's a
16%. You're
chart.
talking that's like and your first house is what? In the late 80s you bought? It had to be. I mean, that was when it was trading 16%.
There's a chart that correlates U.S. GDP and the U.S. total housing market, and the best time to buy a house is when the housing market's 10 to 20% above, like the total housing market's 10 to 20% above U.S. GDP. And the last time I looked at that chart, the housing market was like 80% above. So, um, something's got to come down, whether it's interest rates or housing prices.
Okay, yeah.
The
Housing
reason is because
prices never go
everyone's
down.
locked
They
in
don't.
mortgages that are lower.
Yeah. Let's just be honest here. Housing prices never come down. I'm 46 years old. I've been hearing that forever. And then there's a 75-year-old father-in-law is in town saying the same thing. Housing
mean,
prices will continue to go up. Is
But
does it does
Well,
income
after
is income going up for everybody? Everybody's employed. Everybody's driving to work cheaper. Fine,
But
eggs are expensive.
some markets have come down significantly. Like if you look at between COVID to now, in Austin, the housing prices skyrocketed and now they're coming down. Same thing with
What's
Dallas.
coming down mean though? Coming down, 10%
lowering
pullback, right?
Florida too.
I
Like,
know that, but like it's lower. It's what is it the Dow Jones the Dow theory whatever up and down
Weren't
up
you
and down.
trading between 2007 and like 2011?
Oh yeah, I bought a condo in 2007, and I had it for
Yeah, and you
15 years. I
wait,
sold it
wait,
in 2020, and I lost $5,000. So yes, you got me right. I
well,
lost.
yeah,
This is Chicago.
housing prices can go
Chicago.
down.
No, hold on. Chicago property taxes tripled. I put a renovation in debt. I lost money. I bought a house in 2007. It was my first condo trading. And then I bought it. It's paid it off with cash. It was like I bought it for 300,000, 305, and I sold it for 325 or 320, and I put like 30 grand into it. So, and that's after what 07 to 2020. I was just like, you're Chicago, but it cash flowed. I rented it out for a while. It cash flowed well. So I don't know. I think there's
Working on a chart here, but Andre's
time to
out,
buy
so
a
I gotta
house
drive.
right now. Always, my opinion. Sorry, Jack. Go ahead.
Yep.
No problem here. We are
I
towards
got out of my
the uppish.
I got out of my lawn.
Nice. What was the result there, Baron?
Up 50 points plus 2,000 on
All
combine.
right. Okay.
Jack, didn't they just say that 30 million people that own a house don't have a mortgage? Oh, I just read that. Is that true?
Yes.
I don't know. 30 million.
Yeah,
There's 300 million people in the States, right? Something like that. Not everybody owns a house. And then you've got
40.
10% of those that do own a house, or 10% of that whole population, even though everybody doesn't own a house, saying, hey, I don't have a mortgage, but I own that thing. I mean, that's
But you
pretty,
you also
to me,
have to you also have to consider when you're thinking of the 300 million, how many of those people are under the age of 18 or under the median homeowner age?
well, I think my point is 30 million people with a paid off home. That's a lot.
Yeah,
Paid
Yeah,
off.
it is
I
a lot.
Your
I
largest
looked it up.
investment in your life is paid off.
Right. I looked it up. I mean, like, I think the average age of those with like a paid off mortgage is like 63 or something like that. Also, remember that there's a lot of, I mean, like more than 30% of houses are bought with cash these days. Like last year it was like 35% or something. So like
Really?
not
They're
everyone with
cash only?
without a mortgage has paid off a mortgage.
Does that take into account BlackRock buying houses?
Oh,
I don't
that's what all
like,
is.
yeah,
That's
that
what
number
all
you
is.
shared,
I
I need
got
to
into
look
one of
more
those.
into
Aaron.
it.
Yeah.
But keep in mind too, when you say those 30 million people, I looked this up the other day. There's like 8 million households in the US with a net worth of more than 3 million.
It's a lot.
So like
8 million
it's not just
or eight.
Like 8 million households, I think, have more than 3 million.
That's huge.
Hey, get your air horns. Charge up those air horns, folks. Closing in on all-time highs. NASDAQ 20. Oh, Michael, all-time highs. Can't keep a good market down. Just made some new highs. 23,202. 20 points to go for all-time highs. Crude. Someone hit the buy button. Crude, $67.06. Gold grinding higher here as well. 33.41.
Yeah, they're going the same
NASDAQ.
direction.
Look at
Yeah.
this, man.
Let's get
NASDAQ's
those air
about to do
horns
this,
out.
Hogue. Get your air horns out is right, Michael. So you take a short up here at 23,222.
No short.
Baron, you still in this thing?
No, I got out.
Okay.
They are
Michael, what are these
opening
stats?
range
What are these
trading.
stats you got?
Crude oil just got stopped out.
Ah,
Shoot.
I traded a couple times this week. I'm asking them how much I'm up this week. I don't know.
you did.
But
You.
I'm not a
got-
perma bear anymore. That's definitely for sure. It's
Ah.
probably means the top is in, but whatever.
Oh, we're about to get
No,
there.
it's not. That's good.
No.
No
We're getting
perma
ready to
bear.
make all-time highs. We've been making all-time
Yes,
highs.
we are. Michael, what have you been trading? What product?
S&P guys. I don't know why anybody does the Nasdaq. You may think it's cool because it moves around. You get the same movements. It's just not as erratic with S&P.
All right, we're gonna do this right here. All right, we got 15 points to go. All-time highs in the NASDAQ. Let's go right here. Top Step TV. We got history about to go down as we make all-time highs in July. This will be the third time we make all-time highs this month, and we still have a couple more weeks left. ES
NP.
not.
The difference between NQ and ES is NQ's the toxic Latina, right? She's the toxic Latina, and ES is the wife. ES is the one
Oh
that
boy.
moves slow. She's gonna have a home cooked meal for you ready.
Oh boy.
Keep going.
And NQ's gonna yell at you from time to time. Might
Okay.
chase you
Staying
around
out of that.
with a-
I'm staying
with a
out of that
stick.
conversation.
Well, I'm 46, so I'll take the S&P.
Put it up on the
And-
poll. Is the NQ like? No, I'm just kidding. Absolutely do not.
I'm staying out of
The
that.
older
I
I
run
get, maybe I want Bitcoin, the new young thing. I don't know. No, I'm joking. You know what I'm saying? it's just kind of temperament. It's wherever your temperament is. Like I totally agree with that. Like, do I want to be yelled at anymore and have this erratic person that I trade with? That I always look at a product that you trade with as a relationship you have, like a relationship. Do I want that friend? Do I want that significant other? Depending on how deep I want to go in that relationship. I would say no on NASDAQ. I'll watch it. I'll see it. It's right. It's a ladder right next. It's a chart right next to my S&P, but I no chance. No. S&P is nice and smooth. I've been
Brad
enjoying it.
Simmons.
Not as much
Simmons.
slippage in the ES, Michael. Not as much slippage. Look at it. It's 100 on the bid, 100 on the ask. In the ES, got 400 lot to the upside. Offers at 63.25. Right now, all eyes on the NASDAQ as we close in on all-time highs. About 12, call 13 points. 13 points till new all-time highs. Crude, someone hit the buy button. Crude trades $67.06. Get your air horn ready.
Let's do it.
10 points to go.
Let's get it.
Why not? Euro close, 26 minutes. What do we do with this? My NASDAQ traders, Baron and Dakota, we get to all-time highs. Obviously, uncharted territory.
To me, it's
What do?
You sit back and enjoy the show. You don't. I don't trade it. I watch it.
Okay, well, you watch it, and
Well,
then yeah, you watch the show. Got it. Is there no opportunity, or just you wait
There
for
can be. The way I trade it when it's price action, where I'm looking for support and resistance. Once you get to all-time highs, you have less of that. So unless you maybe have something like Baron where you look at statistics, or has predictive analysis based off of what fibs or something, maybe there's opportunity. But from where I'm looking at, and there's nothing to the left, you don't really have much of a reference, and sometimes it's better to, that's why I look at gold. I could move over to gold, and there's better opportunities for me as an individual than there is in the NASDAQ.
Is that where you're at right now? Are you focusing? How many markets do you trade right now?
Here we go.
Gold and Nasdaq. 2
Gold and Nasdaq. Okay.
2 ticks ago. And there you go. New all-time highs. Look at those
All-time
stops
highs.
go off. New all-time highs, NASDAQ, 23,229. Oh, wow. We are still cooking the upside. New all-time highs. Here we go. Now 232's print.
That 0.5.
Order
yes,
filled.
the buy button.
Order
Yes, 20
filled.
points to go for new all-time highs there.
Order
What's up, Barry?
filled. Order filled.
Everybody look at their long term.
5 extension that I was looking for. That was 23,230. Going much higher than
Wow.
this.
Woo, here we go.
You know,
God,
it might be
Salts on
tough
the
to see
6330s.
if it gets up to
More
that
buying coming in.
point.
We absolutely cooked right through that.
Did you guys buy that Tesla when Tesla's North American sales guy left? Remember that?
That's
It's
how you
like,
buy the
buy the
dip,
dip.
Michael. That's how you buy the
Just
dip.
buy the dip. Yeah. Who cares?
Buy the dip.
Another guy.
Question for you, Michael, as we make new all-time highs in
Order
the
filled.
NASDAQ, LaShawn wants to know, MP, will there ever be a Top Step movie?
Sure,
I don't
why
know,
not?
but how about this? How about this idea? We may be in a movie someday, and here's how. We have a very good friend of mine. He's on at Expensify. The company's Expensify. They did a Super Bowl commercial. They just did. Anybody here know? First person here to know.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Somebody types it in. They've spent I don't know how many millions to be in a movie. There you go, Jake Crosby. There you go. So it worked right there.
Movie?
There you go. It worked for all these guys. Boom. Brad Pitt was wearing it on F1, and they sold ads or whatever. You know, he's acting like he's an F1 racer, and he had the uniform on. So they bought the chest on him for the same almost price as sounded like their Super Bowl thing. So I think that would be really cool. Top Step. Mellow Yellow was like Days of Thunder. Remember back in the day? Days of Thunder?
Yeah.
Mellow Yellow or whatever. I don't know. Top Step. Yeah, sure. I'd be open to that.
F1 was an amazing movie. I didn't realize it was 3 hours long, but it was great.
Oh, it's 3 hours long.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
they needed
booked it at
extra
like
time to
10
get
p.m.
Expensify in there. I thought that scene was weird where he just stood there talking straight into the camera with it on his chest for 5 minutes, but
Oh, really?
That
Okay,
might
I haven't
work.
seen it yet. I wait for things to go free now.
Since when?
When it comes to
60.
when it comes to movie content, I'm like, yeah, you know what?
Gotcha.
It's hit or miss. Oh
see
wait.
if we can get
All
into,
right,
like, the
I'm
next
gonna-
Lars von Trier movie.
New
I'm gonna look to
all-time
see if there's a potential short up here, just because we have hit those upper end extensions, and the probability of continuing higher that continues to drop as we move up.
Get in.
You're looking for a
get
short.
in there.
What? Yeah. What would you look for? All right, we just tapped on the. I mean, new all-time highs 23,244. What's the setup
would
look
look
like
for-
there before you actually?
I would look for this to start to reject up here, and then look for a strong rejection, and then look for a retest. I don't want to short it just off, like, oh, it hit this level, let me short it. I want to see it reject, and then I want to see it come up, do a retest, get in on the retest, and then you have much better defined risk when you do have that retest.
Retest of the previous all-time high.
No, so like I would want to see this start to reject up here, and then like consolidate, come up, do a retest at wherever that high is set, and reject again. I don't want to be the first seller though.
As we're talking about all-time highs, I want the chat to I want to put a poll in here too. Sorry, I'm doing polls. Who is? I don't know how do you say it, because I want to understand where everybody's retirement is. I mean, because it's all-time highs right now. So unless you got in at bad entries, you should be looking good. So I don't know what the question is. Jack's always good.
What does that mean? The retirement's going
What
to
do you
be
mean
high.
retirement? Yeah. Well, 200 of some people at Top Step do, because we have 401k matching. So if you put money in, we'll match it. I don't know if you take advantage of those bennies, Dre. Perks.
Yeah, I do. Absolutely.
do.
100% invested.
Ooh,
Yep.
I watched United Healthcare
Yeah.
for about $1.7 million this year.
A lot. Or let's see. Oh, we got Euro close. How do you want? Wait, how do you want to word this poll, Michael?
I don't
I gotta hear
know.
this.
I don't
But
know.
I'm not.
Are
I
you?
don't know
Are
what it's
you up?
asking. If you have a 401k, it's going to be at
I'm
a
just
high,
saying.
unless you're
Everybody's like,
doing
"Oh
something
my
silly.
god!" When we were like pulling, everybody's like, "Oh my god!" You know, like don't look at your 401k. Don't. Now I'm telling everybody we're on a highs. Look at your 401k. Remember, like oh, this can't be.
It's safe
When
again.
Trump was doing all his tweets, like don't look at. I mean, everybody's like, just don't look at your 401k.
Uh-huh.
Now we're on our highs. I just want. Are you looking at your 401k? You should. I don't know. It's a little confidence
Well, it's
booster.
safe to look at it again. That's for sure.
Go. That's what I'm saying. Let's smell the roses when they're right in front of us.
Absolutely.
It's now
Absolutely.
what a 601k now. It's
601.
201k.
All-time highs.
Is your 401k now 601k?
That was a Tucker
That would be
joke.
good.
Get that Writers Guild
Yeah, you
card
got
for
that,
Dakota.
Andre. You got it.
Yes, I did. Hey, after the bell, by the way, earnings, we got Interactive Brokers and Netflix after the bell. So make sure you stay tuned for At the Buzzer. Coach Jay, Coach Paul will give you all the
Ooh.
breakdown on that. Again, Netflix and Interactive Brokers after bell earnings. And tomorrow, before the bell, we got Schwab, 3M, American Express. Again, the banks like to kick off earnings season when that does begin. So Interactive Brokers and
been very
Netflix after the bell.
And a little insight is Jay's on vacation. He's taking a trip, so I decided I will cover Jay's spot.
Great.
Jack, can you do me a favor? This is going to be
Yes,
a
sir.
1 year from. I need you to record it now, and then keep us up to date quarterly. Really, it's going to matter in about 18 months from now. Interactive Brokers, they got their earnings coming out. So Thomas Petterfy, I think it's Petterfy,
Chicago.
he's gonna have some competition coming up here pretty soon.
Ooh.
Pretty soon.
Whatever could you mean?
And whatever, I don't know. He's gonna have some competition coming from Top Step pretty soon. So I want to keep an eye on their earnings and see if we put a dent in them.
Well, I don't know. I mean,
A year
Interactive
from now,
makes
Michael.
a pretty penny off of me.
No, we're gonna need a runway of 2 years. We're gonna need a runway of 2
Okay.
years.
Love it.
But we'll be the
Hey, we
fastest
love
growing
you.
futures. We'll be the fastest growing futures. Soup to nuts. And I can't tell you what the nuts are at the very end, but soup to
Tell me.
nuts.
Tell
I
me.
mean, we're working on
Just to give you an idea.
we're working on becoming
of
a
what
brokerage. So like we'll have that brokerage. Like right there.
Here we go.
So when we have that all, come here, earn it, and then move over to open your money into a Top Step brokerage, trading on the same platform.
Not a question mark. Period.
Taking your prop,
Exclamation
taking your
point.
prop payouts, bringing them over.
Why interactive? Because the one thing I'm an options trader.
Oh,
and they make
Robin Hood's on notice too.
Okay. Yeah, put them all on notice, MP.
Put them all on notice. Let's have some fun, friendly competition.
I'm telling you, we giggle about
Really
it, man,
quick.
but he's dead
Really
ass serious.
quick,
Go
just-
ahead.
Just,
Oh, I'm dead
just
serious. I'm 100%
talk about what it would
serious.
take to put a dent in Interactive Brokers. I loved it.
Thank you.
Remember when oil turned negative?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Interactive Brokers kind of like paid everyone back. I think they paid $82 million because they didn't really know what could happen too. And the interview with the guy was just like, "Yeah, we're paying back the $82 million. Like it was absolutely nothing."
Manfred.
Nothing.
Shout out to Manfred. He was one of them.
The platform
Negative.
didn't go below zero, so nobody could get out.
Did Robinhood do the same thing when they had everybody stuck? We're not doing
No.
it.
Didn't
Did
have
they-
futures.
Order filled.
No,
Remember
you
Pettif-
mean GameStop.
Remember
Disabled
Pettify
to someone.
came on there? Did you guys ever watch him when he comes on? He does what he does. He looks at the camera, sees my head like this. This is how he talks on CNBC. He talks with his head just
one
like
shot.
right there. One shot. Yeah, he's just in his office and some awesome probably house. And he's like, well, those guys don't have liquidity, or they're just pretty much small potatoes. Is what he's. Remember when they're like having liquidity issues or something? Wasn't it? Robinhood in the Citadel, like when everybody's was shining their light on them, being like,
They disabled the sell
Yeah.
button.
Yeah, they disabled the sell button. No, the buy
You
button.
did. I remember
The
that.
buy
Yeah.
button. No, the buy
Buy-
button.
Buy
Yeah. So,
button.
yeah.
Yeah.
So what?
Never heard that
What?
before. Never heard.
No. Oh, all right. We got 15 minutes till Euro close. Again, NASDAQ just made new all-time highs, 23,244, about 8 points off of that. ES trading 63.24 a half, about 20 points to go for new all-time highs. Michael, we know how much you love social media. You have expanded your social media reach. Where are you now, and where can they find Mr. Michael Batak on the latest social media outlets?
You know how the Cubs say the friendly confines? Friendly confines of TikTok.
What led you to TikTok? Why TikTok?
Because I don't. They said everybody engaging is
See.
good. I think it's good. It's fun
Well-
to just post little things. I don't know. In
Well,
general, I
dances.
wish I wish
Bring
all
it in.
social media did exist. But yeah.
Bring it in here.
we
Let's
can-
see what
All right, I got a question for you. Are you
Oh wow.
simple and cool like the Rivian, which I drive, or are you flashy like what my wife drives? Which one are you?
Yeah, that's what you got for a 40th.
Mine's also dirty.
What are you, Dre?
All right, welcome to my office.
Flashy.
Oh, there you go.
That's what I watch
Where I'm at.
all the time. And then I flip to this, and that's what I
What
trade.
do you do, Jay?
Yeah.
all the time.
Wait, are you left-handed?
All right, traders, check it out. Weekly kickoff just hit your inbox right now, so check it out. There's a mid-year reflection that you want to look at. And make sure you trade a bit of discipline this week and do something new this week to improve your game. Let's go.
Nice job.
That
Look at
is
fire
good. It's
content.
beautiful. I was in the United Club at Denver, coming back from New Orleans, right there. Like,
You know
okay,
something off your. There you go.
I saw you.
My sister's-
I saw you left
my sister's into TikTok, so I don't know.
a free 100K account at a New Orleans bar.
I know.
Oh yeah, Quezzy,
Quezzy.
Quezzy,
Yes,
yeah.
Quezzy.
Yeah. Wesley.
Quezzy.
Someone go and find it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Quezzy found it. Yeah.
Wesley did.
Michael
I mean,
on TikTok.
Social media,
Nice one.
I see the good and I see the bad, and I see
Order
everything.
filled.
TikTok's just a little bit more friendly over there, a little more upbeat.
We need a
TikTok
TikTok of the puppy.
Yeah, where's
Oh, yeah.
Bernie doing?
Bernie's doing
What's
awesome.
Bernie doing?
Awesome. He's great. I've had 4 dogs in my life. This is 5th
Ugh.
that I've had underneath my watch, my command. Simple. I don't have-
Well,
He's well behaved. He's
Good.
great. Saint Bernard. Yeah. Beautiful.
Bernie is right. Michael, they
It's
want to know what
16
size that
months old,
curve
like-
monitor. Michael, do you know what size that curve monitor is? There's no way. he knows the size.
32, 35. I
There
can
you
drop
go.
a link
There's your number.
to it right now.
There you go. 32 or 35. All right, Doug. Crude oil. About
It's the
2
curved
cents
one. Sorry, Dre. It's curved. Samsung curved. I got it.
Oh, you got the same one. I got those too.
Yeah, they're
I actually
great.
have the monitors from the old Risk office. They're old ones. They're so big. I'm at a kitchen table though.
You have it at the kitchen table, the monitor?
Oh no, I'm in
Um,
my office, but my desk is actually the kitchen table that I grew up eating at because I didn't have a desk big enough for these
Grew up,
freaking
oh.
monitors.
Yeah.
Baron, did you take the
I
short
agree.
by any chance? Baron has moved. Baron is trying to find the
Mute.
mute button.
I bought-
Baron is in his
I
new digs right now. Baron has
bought-
moved to Florida.
Okay. I did not get in the short yet. I do want to get in at the top of those 230s. So if we can get back up there, I would short it.
Okay.
Here is here you guys
Oh, man, I
go.
love when you come on, man.
I forget
Here.
to unmute.
Can you get that's the screen. There you go. Amazon. There you
You
go. I just
got-
put the screen 34-inch,
Oh.
whatever. It's in chat.
34-inch.
So you
Whatever.
get a little behind the scenes.
I get 2 of them. I get two of them, so I get this like half moon thing, and that's all I need. Anybody who does more than that, I don't. It's just a lot to look at. I don't need another
mine
screen to look at.
Yes, there is.
It's like the
There you go, Amazon link.
you don't
They
have, you don't
posted
have
in
an
the-
affiliate link there, do you? Little Amazon affiliate.
Mhm.
Code.
Ah,
You get my
question here.
code now.
Yeah,
I got 20 of these. I got 20 of
filled.
these. Get my code now. Oh, I just turned through 20 of these right now while I was telling you to get my code. Get 20 more. Oh, I just did it
Tic
again.
Tac for Papa
Churn
Katak.
City.
Yeah, I'm short.
Dakota is
reversal,
short.
Dakota?
Yes,
What
yes,
price you
no.
get, Dakota?
Yes, I got
Yeah,
23, 23 half.
All
I'm looking
right.
to short as
Yeah,
well.
Hogue, that's
Short
exactly what it
the-
is.
I want us to come back up a little bit to like the 30s to short that.
Right, Dakota short from 23,223.
How
What's
many,
your
Dakota?
downside target? Yeah.
3. I am
Three.
looking for 190.
Order filled.
190s for my
Alright.
final target, but I'll peel a couple contracts off if we do get a push down into like 210s.
I was just looking at that.
I
I'm
would-
thinking Dakota's going to get short. Dakota's going to get short. And then all of a sudden you're short.
Hogue's
I
got
would
the
look for
scouting.
even deeper than 190s, Dakota.
Why?
I would look for. It's like there's a probability for it to retrace back into the IB. It's like a 68% chance to retrace down to like the what level was it? Hold on, sorry. My indicator's off, so I have to do it with a fib.
68% chance.
68% chance to retrace down to like the 50s.
Okay,
the
yeah, I was gonna say I can
50s.
see 160s, the top of where we broke out, 160s, 170s.
That's
always have
also
to have a runner
right where
on.
session 150 is right where session view off is.
Okay,
Potential
I got
failed
the
upside
order.
auction in the S&Ps as well. You got to wait a little bit, but I see Anne Marie's short ES right now. So
see, chat. Baron and I don't always butt heads.
These are tough markets to trade. It's slow right now, guys. Everybody, just so you all know, Top Step is slow right now. You can hear it in the industry. It's slow right now. This is summer, and it's like this trade is. And we were all force fed with a fire hose in Q1, right? Just pure
Yeah, we're trying not to say
trading
that, Mike.
enjoyment.
And
trying
we
not to
still
say
get
that.
we still get little pops of that too, like yesterday with the Powell
Yesterday was
news.
amazing.
That
was
was
crazy.
that was probably
Yesterday
like
was an ultimate.
one of the more intense 30 minutes on Top Step TV.
That was incredible.
Went pretty well.
They're really, yeah, it did. They were, they aren't done with this. I think it was a trial balloon. Like Jack was saying, floated the trial balloon to see how the markets would react, and they didn't like it. Obviously, a little uncertainty to say the least. And
order
walked
filled.
it back.
Order filled.
They are not done with this mission to replace
Order
Twitter as well.
filled.
We will see
Order
how that
filled.
goes.
Order filled. All-time high.
Why
Order
do they
filled.
think it will become
Order
so
filled.
unstable?
Order filled.
Nothing is bigger
Order
than one
filled.
The president just
Order
kicked out
filled.
the head of the central bank because you can,
So there's another guy.
Order
coming right
filled.
behind him.
Order
that's gonna
filled.
do dumb shit because
Well, we've had another new guy before that, and before that, Bernanke, Alan Greenspan. So these are all new guys when they start.
Order filled.
and Paul already threw him a bone when he pumped $6 trillion into the system.
Order
I mean,
filled.
I mean, you guys would cut rates. We're gonna cut rates,
did.
but I mean, you can't have this president calling the shots
So-
of monetary policy.
Really
I have no strong opinion here. I just don't see. I'm the
Sounds like you do.
yeah. The North American sales guy is gone. Like that doesn't. There's so
that don't
much
matter.
talent. It's like an NBA team. Like once the best player is out, and you know, like whatever, the best player is getting old now or something.
Order
like that. You know,
filled.
like the next guy off the bench, never heard his name before. Holy shit, he can hit the jumper better than so and so. You know, like
Yeah,
that's
I mean,
that's
we
the
see what happened
natural.
when MJ left the Bulls. The team was still great, but then when LeBron left Cleveland, the team was trash.
I don't know if the Bulls
LeBron-
are great.
yeah,
I got
there
there.
you are.
I got there at 02 and it worked.
New highs.
New
yeah.
highs ES. Yeah, new highs ES. Heads up on those shorts in the NQ. If the ES is going to make the first move here, we'll see if the NASDAQ wants to follow. We got about 5 minutes till the euro close. Let's take a look at some of the other prices in the markets. Gold
Andre,
trading
it keeps
33.
going towards that liquidity, and the ES is always above. Liquidity is above.
There you go. Brad
This
Sims
is-
says it right. Powell's Bledsoe. There's a Tom Brady right behind him. What about that, Dre?
Oh my
Could be.
God.
What was,
Mm.
wait,
Could
what was
be.
Evan
the,
has it.
what was the quote?
I don't know. I have no clue who the candidates are or who would even be on the short list.
It's easy to fire, right? Oh, I know. It has it. He's got his boys locked and loaded. All right. Well, we got Michael here. So when Michael's on here, all right, pop quiz time.
Oh.
Tip of the week. First person to get the tip of the week right in the chat will get a swag giveaway from Top Step. First one to get it right in the chat. All the judges are watching. right
Order
here, right
filled.
now.
Exactly
Pop
right.
quiz.
Right, Dre?
Tip of the week.
Exactly.
Tip of the week. Who got it?
Wow, that's a
Yeah.
good gift you guys are giving away. All right,
Tip of the
cool.
week. All right, the judges are watching here. We'll give you that. We'll get the judges' decision here shortly. They are watching. We do have a
Moon
swag.
baby.
Look at all. Everyone's paying attention.
Moon boy.
It is. Keep your emotions in check. We'll see what the judges
Keep
do
Moon
say.
boy.
Does
Really
does
quick before you head
emotions
out.
in check?
No.
Does emotions in check count
Matt?
when the next
Oh.
person just keep? You have to be exact, right? Dre?
Yeah,
No?
exact.
All right.
Exact.
The judges have decided.
Matthew?
Matthew Hellwinkle. Matthew Hellwinkle, congratulations. You are the winner of a Top Step swag box, gift
Nice
box.
job, Matthew.
Hit us up at TopStepTV at topstep.com and we'll get your contact information
Wow,
and get that over to you. Good job.
I would tune in just for that, Dre. You get a whole swag box just for typing in
Yeah.
something in chat.
What's
First.
yeah, let's see
They had
what's
it-
in that.
they-
Pretty cool. You're close 3 minutes.
They already had it.
MP, you were
typed in. They
talking
just
about
pushed it.
screens. I've showed this before, but not with you on. If you want some anxiety from screens, this is a photo of a CEO's office at my old trading firm.
Oh, wow.
You can try and count all those. I wonder if the blank ones were punched.
Order
out at some point.
filled.
Seems likely, or are those just white screens? I can't tell.
What are we looking at?
This is from a long time ago.
Touchdown. Yeah, you didn't trade well on those products.
Just get them all. Get screens for everything. Just punch out the ones you don't like.
Yeah, then you're up money for the
43.
day. Take a picture of that, post it. That's just too much, man. Too much. You can't even process.
We only have 2 eyeballs. Don't forget about that. We only have 2 eyeballs.
Yeah. He was
I'm
a
free.
good guy. He was a little intense. A good guy.
Bond school. What was it? Bond school on Saturdays? Saturday school.
Yeah, we blew out on a Friday. They would declare bond school MP, and we'd have to come to the board of trade at like 7 in the morning to eat Bari subs and learn the same lesson about bonds.
Classroom. We should have that here. We should have that here.
Don't.
Grind and hide.
Don't.
Euro close. 90 seconds. 90 euro.
Did you get
close,
short in that
90.
30s, Baron? Man, $5.
He's on one today, huh?
Bro, the mic
He's
again.
still trying to figure out where he's
I ended up getting in short. 23,226. The fill.
Did anybody here? I want to find out in chat. Did anybody here called the number 1-800 the bell when they saw the title on here on the YouTube? What does it take you to? What if it is like some, I don't know, triple X?
1-800
Like, oh, hey, how you doing? You know, like what?
1-800
No, you never know. You never know. 1-800
the bell. Michael, it's so great. Yeah, where else are you gonna get exclusive access directly to the CEO and founder of Top Step? It's been a week indeed. All right, we got Euro close in 50 seconds. Then we're gonna bring in JD for payouts in P&Ls, live funded traders here at Top Step. But let's see what happens here at the Euro close. We got 40 seconds. We also have a 3 and 6 month auction. I do believe, yes. The biggest market mover. Also, we got Fed's daily speaking in about an hour. We have a White House press briefing. Let's see if we can have that piped in. That's at noon Central Time. I'm sure the press has a lot of questions for that. And we got Fed's Cook speaking at 12:30 p.m. Central Time. So there's a lot more coming here on Top Step TV. Euro close 15 seconds. Barron is short from 23,230. No, Dakota's short.
226.
226.
Yep.
Last trade.
And I'm
229. Euro
223.
closed right here, right now. 69% long in the. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is interesting. Take a look at the tilt here. 70% short in NASDAQ, 69% long in ES. Can't say I've seen one of these recently. 70% short in NASDAQ,
Yeah.
69% long.
Micros,
ES.
though. Oh no, you're right.
I'm looking at minis.
Coming
I
into a
got
very
No, you're right.
compelling range in the ES right now.
just so we have them.
I want to know
Those are
who
my
wins.
charts.
Yeah.
70% of open position. 70% of open positions right now in the trading combine or XFA, the sim environment, because that's the data we'll share with you guys, aggregated together, and says 70% of people are short Nasdaq, 68% ish is long S&P. Now these two markets tend to hold hands and walk together. One's a little more erratic, like we talked about, likes to run ahead and fall behind real fast both ways. The other person just
Order
steady
filled.
walking there, a little more smooth walker.
I love you, man. That's my guy right there, man. Oh, that was so great. Well, okay,
you
someone
connect with
said
it?
someone in the chat they said fade tilt. Fade tilt. Which one are you going to fade? You going to fade the
Which one are you
ES
gonna
long
fade?
67% or fade the 71% short in Nasdaq? Which one are you going to fade? Which one's going to win? Stay tuned to find out. All right,
Fade 'em
let's
both.
get JD in here. JD, come on in. P&Ls, payouts, Top Step TV. What up, JD?
What's up, guys? Let's do it. Yesterday's best live funded P&Ls. Here they are. Top 5 live funded traders at Top Step. Johan on top, 9,687 trading the Dow. He's trading the Dow and the micro Dow. Jordan trading the NQ and the ES, $7,790. Daniel, Hari, and Jason were all trading the NQ, 7,610 for Daniel. 5,911 for Hari, and Jason rounds out the top 5, $5,332. Pro ball traders here, lining their pockets with that hard-earned money from the live funded account in the real live markets. And I lost my train of thought. All right, here's your top 5 live funded payouts from yesterday. Kevin J at the top, $20,000. Augustine, $19,500. Stephen J, $18,000. Thomas R, $13,000, and Daniel O, $10,000. Again, real traders lining their pockets with real money from the real live markets. All of these guys, excellent pro ball traders.
God, I would have loved to make 20 grand yesterday. Hey, how'd you do? How's your week going? How's your week going? Pretty good. 20 grand made yesterday.
$80,500 just yesterday alone from our top 5.
Are you seeing that number, JD? While you've been watching it every single day, you know it almost like is it getting smaller with these lower volatility markets?
No, they've
More
been pretty
quiet,
consistent.
Okay.
5-figure payouts are pretty much the new norm now. It's been a couple weeks since we haven't had a 5-figure payout leading the board.
I mean, I remember back in the day, these
guys are getting
would be
better.
like, back in the day, it'd be like, oh, can we get it? Like, oh, you just broke 4 figures. You know, you get excited about that in a day or something like that.
Sure.
Just get bigger trade. There's bigger traders right now, and well, yeah, yes, and there's all different types of traders, but then you start to get these ones that have big days. These are big day, $20,000 a day. It's a big day.
Yeah, our number one trader, KJ Futures, took a $25,000 payout the other day. Number one on the big board. So,
KJ, if you're listening, yeah, I want you to come on sometime. I know we're friends with the same buddy because he texts me. And he goes, "Hey, friends with KJ. Didn't know he's trading at Top Step. He's the CEO of Spikeball, Chris." And
really?
We should get Chris on here. Talk about Spikeball, how he started Spikeball, everything like that. Anybody here know Spikeball? We should give away Spikeball stuff. That's fun. It's a fun game.
Right on.
All right, guys.
Well, decision time.
That's what I got for you.
Yes.
Thanks, JD.
Spikeball.
Look at my chart here, going back from the last run up. I think they have my charts back there. We're at the top of the mega range here. We had that run up where we were up like 10 straight days or whatever. For most of July, we just been in this range here. As we get closer to 63.30, we have rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5th time is happening right before our eyes. What are you doing?
Is it different?
MP?
No kidding.
Is this time different?
What am I doing? What?
No.
What are you doing here? Are you getting long or getting short?
Oh, Perma Bull now.
Perma Bull. Yeah, where's my bull at? Here.
Oh, we're grinding higher here. ES. Grind higher here. 74. Okay, 74%. 74% short, Michael. NQ.
The fact that where else does all these employed people put their money to invest. Think about this. Everybody, like, our unemployment is low. Our unemployment is low. Wages are high. Assets are high. So given all that, and then you forget all inflation, all that, but given all that, people got money. Where are they going to park it to invest it? So
Bitcoin.
Stocks, Michael.
stocks, the only thing. Yeah. What do you know? Oh, I've gotten to art.
Passive.
I bought this.
Passive.
Come on, like that takes a
I
really
love
good
you,
eye.
man.
Oh, I agree. I was
man.
thinking more in the next half hour.
Oh, next half hour. Well, still the money, more money's flowing in than flowing out, in my opinion. And as long as earnings stay solid
Agree.
and technology stays there, growing, which it's just AI is going to be making companies way more efficient. And you're like, oh, it's going to lose jobs. Some of these people will be able to like go to new roles. And you're like, oh, well, how are you going to train them? Well, you got it. Sorry, you got it. Because you can't just stay at one role forever your entire life and try to have a better life. You got to keep working harder. It's just like it's a natural thing. So AI should take away some of these mundane things, and that should make companies' bottom line more efficient or better. You'd think.
ES
So
new
you're telling me
highs.
it's like Willy Wonka, where he replaces the toothpaste machine?
I thought you said replace the Oompa Loompas. No.
What's happening right now? What is going on? 74% short in the NASDAQ. Oh my gosh. We are done here on Top Step TV. We got a lot more sorts on the next couple of days. We're always bringing you new, fresh faces, new segments. James, come on in here. What do we have today and what do we have tomorrow for the peeps here, our viewers and traders all across the globe?
Absolutely, Andre. We got a lot of good coming at you the rest of this week, including today. Today at 1 p.m. Central, Coach Robert returns with another Top Step X API session. And I said it
Wow.
yesterday, and I'll say it again. If you haven't seen what our traders have been building with the Top Step API access, then you owe it to yourself to be here at 1 o'clock and check this segment out. All right, Coach Robert sits down with traders from TopStep who are making TopStep X work for them in ways you couldn't even imagine by utilizing the coding system. This week, Coach Robert is joined by Tyler B. and his co-developer Chris C., a duo that's been putting the code to the work in creative ways. And this is our first coding duo ever on TopStep TV, so definitely tune in, learn a thing or two, ask questions in the chat. You're not going to want to miss this one. This stuff is cool. And also, talking about cool, tomorrow, instead of our usual lunchbox trading segment at noon, we're going to feature a new segment we're calling Trader Psych. Trader Psych, it happens at Friday at 12 p.m., a segment where trading meets psychology, featuring Jerome D., who holds a PhD in neurology, and Dr. V., a clinical psychologist, hypnotherapist, and mindfulness instructor. This segment will delve into the most overlooked but most powerful tool in any trader's arsenal, your mind. Jerome and Dr. V aren't just experts in human behavior, they're active futures day traders with TopStep who know exactly what it's like to manage risk, handle pressure, and navigate high stakes decisions. So, again, ask questions in the chat and get ready to learn how to manage your psych. That's tomorrow at 12 p.m. Central. So, we got a lot of cool things cooking the rest of this week. We got even cooler things next week and in the weeks to come. But until then, back to you, Andre.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah,
Trader Psych.
I will be there. I'm going to be there for both of those, Michael. They stuck me in
These
there
are
for the
awesome.
API. Yeah. And
I
that's how
wish
you
I
get
had
the
this when I first started trading. I wish I had it. I mean, glad I have it now. But
did
like
not
all
exist back
across
then, Michael.
did not
Not
exist back
exist.
then. You had to spend thousands to go to a session to learn about supply or support and resistance lines on a chart. I did. It's called Online Trading Academy in Irvine, California, in like 2000 or 1999, something like that. I don't know.
Yeah.
Now it's like
It's like
Dr. V. Is that what it is? She's great.
V.
Saw
Dr.
clip
G
of
and
her.
Jerome. Dr. G,
Jerome.
and Jerome. Same one. And somehow I will try to, I'm just along for the ride. I will be driving that segment. I will also be driving the API programming session at 1 p.m. Central today. These are one of the advantages of the Top Step X. You have access to the API, make it work for you. Got some coders in there. We'll see if we can continue to tell you what they are doing, trading ideas, algorithms, if-thens, and we'll go from there. I'm just going to try to hold my own, Michael, and be along for the ride. Again, Top Step X, always trying to get better. That API session.
And then
for
the
examples,
API stuff, Dre. Are you into, like, you don't know anything about coding, do you?
Yeah, I
Any
do.
tech?
It's all ones and zeros,
Any
Michael.
tech?
It's all ones and zeros. How about that?
Okay. You already beat me. I know.
Got him.
Didn't
What's
even know
up?
that. It's binary. Yeah, got it.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, like I think that's the next kind of wave. And hear me out,
100%.
because like people that are creating that can access the open API, be able to send messages and receive, of course, to help their indicator or execution or platform, whatever they're like building to connect to this thing. I think there's that to me that's really interesting. Way more interesting than some just discretionary influencer. I'd rather see somebody like put a system together. And that to me is interesting. And you're going to get
Yeah.
educated on how others are doing that. So that's cool.
Yep, the best here. All right, ES. Someone hit the buy button. New highs in ES 63.32, closing in on all-time highs in the ES. We already saw new all-time highs in the NQ. Will the ES get there? About 10, 12 points to go in the ES.
I'm flat.
With those
I closed mine
flat.
out. Yep, minus $35. Minus $35 for me.
Good risk management there. ES. Let's take a look at that ES ladder. We saw a lot.
Yeah,
Look
we're
at that
gunning
ladder.
for it.
Yeah, we are. Look at the size on that on the upside there. Bid and ask, Michael. Look at Jack. About 12 points to go. Why not? New all-time highs. NASDAQ. 50,000. Yeah. 245. No news is good news.
That is correct, sir. And we even got some actual good news today on the employment front and the retail
What was
sales.
it?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Well, jobless claims came in a little under expectation. As I mentioned earlier, what I was more impressed by with the number is the continuing jobless claims dipped a little bit, and they have been rising even as we've gotten better jobless claims numbers each week. So, yep, a lot of tailwinds. Earnings have been stellar so far.
Sounds like a soft
Unless
landing.
there's news. I mean, we got August 1st is the next time. I think in the days leading up to that, we'll obviously be getting some news. And until then, just buy the dip until you hear otherwise.
With it. All right, let's check in with
S&P
some
67% long, Dre, and NASDAQ now 55% short.
So
Those shorts got
what was it?
squeezed.
Fade the NASDAQ. Yeah, fade the NASDAQ, but don't fade the ES. Again, ES about 11 points from all-time highs. NASDAQ, every time we make new high today, those will be all-time highs. Any upside targets you guys are looking for? Obviously, these are uncharted territory. And just, Aaron, what do you got here?
I mean,
as we
I'm in a short, but I can give you actual statistics for upper
Please.
end targets.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
I'd love to hear it.
Let me pull this 1 second. I'm working on 2 monitors, so not my typical setup.
I got you. Yeah, he's moving.
That's why I'm fumbling with the mute button as well. So we hit the 0.6 extension. The 0.7 is at 23,252. That has a 60% chance to hit.
Okay.
Past that, the 1 extension is at 23,284. That has a 40% chance to hit. And then, yeah, let me see if I can get the 0.8
40%
here.
Are you using what do you use for that?
Edgeful.
Okay. They're connecting to that open API from what I heard. They're doing something there.
Sweet. You have them on.
Ooh, okay.
A collab, Michael.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. They got
I think I might like that Andre a little bit better.
Oh man, when he first the other guy that runs Edgeful's name is Andre, Michael. We were both on.
Oh yeah, I like Vlad better.
Not Vlad. He just says his name's Andre.
That's the first guy you said is Vlad.
What is going on, Baron? You're messing this thing. What do you got, Baron? What do you got for Edgeful stats? What is
going on? I'm looking for this to retrace. I think it's high probability we retrace. But yeah, I'm still in the short. You know, messing your flow.
Here,
incredible.
So how do you get your data over to Edgeful from Project X or TopStep? Whatever.
I just
you have an open API.
No, so I look at the Edgeful site. I look at the data there. I chart on TradingView because their indicators like plug right into TradingView, and then I just
Yeah,
mark out the levels on TopStepX.
got it. I think if you had the open API access to that, you can do a lot more. I don't know, Robert, go to that session. Like, there's ways
I'll be
that
there.
all your data is in the back end there. So the open API, if you give somebody permission like Edgeful, I think to it.
Yep.
I don't know.
That's
I
it.
don't see this.
That's
Is
what, no,
part
that's
I
what I'm
don't know,
saying.
but it's the
All
future.
the
It's the
data,
future.
all the data is there. All the data is there, and do with
Then
it
you don't have
as
to
you
do
will.
anything. Could populate in your sim.
I mean, dude, they're using like ChatGPT and AI to essentially code some of their algos or strategies and back test it. It's wild.
Yeah.
So
Took somebody's
what
job,
Camp
huh?
Central?
Right there, Dre.
They
Took somebody's
cannibalize them.
job.
They cannibalize themselves. The coders create the AI to essentially replace themselves. So
Yeah, no, I worked with Palantir while I was at AT&T, and I was helping them make a AI model to replace data. Like it would essentially replace data analysts, and I was a data analyst, so I was literally making the tool to replace me.
that's wild.
So about that promotion,
That's funny.
boss. Yeah. Well, you
Yeah.
finished with that project yet? That's the way it is. I mean, it's just technology coming in and helping us be more efficient, and everybody, it's like needs to adapt. That's technology, and it's just my opinion.
Mm.
Thank you for that's my TED talk.
Within
All right.
range,
Hey, Dakota, slow market
292
sound
right
good.
now in the SPX. We're near 6,300, the big fat round number in the SPX, 8 points above here, which is also near the all-time highs in the ES.
Okay, so Dakota, you'll be on it at the buzzer, as well as who
Yeah,
will be
man.
joining
I'm
you
gonna
for
be on
slow markets.
at the buzzer and then slow markets. Baron's joining me.
Oh boy.
We gotta get in the
Good
ring
luck.
sometime, Baron. I
I need
know.
to. I need to get.
What's that?
I need to actually learn how to box.
Yeah,
I saw the
you
way you
have all
throw
the
a
time you
dart.
want.
I saw the way
Just
you
swing
throw
as
a
hard
dart.
as you
So
can. That's all you have to do. Every swing.
just close your eyes. Yo, puncher's chance. All right, got a few more minutes here in fast
Oh, no.
markets. Click like,
Order
click
filled.
subscribe. 170. Let's get to 173,000. Oh, look at that. What's this? Oh, look at
There's
that.
a mistake in that picture. Shout out. Who could call out a mistake?
Your footwork. You're leading with the wrong foot.
No, it's
Someone's
not. It's on the feet.
No. Your
Come
eye.
on,
You
Andre.
got your focus right on him. Looks like you're about ready to get hit though in the face.
I
But
don't
you got him connected already.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Look, there's
What
a
is it?
mistake.
Chat's got it.
What is it?
Chat's got
What is
it.
it? Right hand down?
My left hand's down. My
Oh,
left
left
hand is
hand
down
down.
to my hip.
Flat-footed,
Yep.
guarded down,
Check
left
yourself at
hand,
all
left hand.
times.
Well, don't let chat comment on audio. You get ripped apart
Oh,
here.
yeah, it's gonna come.
Shoes weren't tied. Blah blah blah.
Left hand is
There's
down.
always
Wow,
a
a lot of
mistake.
boxing.
There's always a mistake in everything you do and ways to improve.
Chat was
True
all
story.
over it. Michael took a shot
Yeah,
at me when I
chat
hit
knew.
that
See, chat knew. It
punching
doesn't.
bag
That
thing.
was, believe it or not, that was the picture that my coach used for. He's like, hey, it doesn't matter how good of a punch that was. Your guard was down. And it's like, all right.
Or hold on. Who's taking the picture right there?
So we have
You
it up
said-
as a film section. So we have whenever I spar, we film it and then we go over the
Oh, got
film
it.
and we review it together. And
Wow.
it's not 100. We're not doing full competition sparring. Yeah, I did it yesterday. That's why I have all the the bruises and the fat lip. But a lot of
Uh-huh.
it's just going 10%, doing stuff like that, and then review the film.
Right, yeah. Well, we're still hanging out. 63.30 right now, ES. Ooh, this is tempting. It's a Friday. I think
are
I
you
just
thinking?
plowing and by. I mean,
Yeah, there's some shorts coming in here. They're going to try to call the top. Maybe in the afternoon we do roll over. We do have Fed speakers coming up.
I'd maybe go for a
Yes.
quick short if we ran some stops. Like the movement's been very methodical going up.
That's the tricky part. Okay. Yes, it has. It's the slow grind. It's the slow grind. Who should be doing it right now? It's a slow grind. We got 5 minutes here on Fast Markets. We are not done. Still, it hasn't been that quiet. We've got the rally mode going on right now. We got Netflix and Internet Brokers after the bell. We got daily speaking in about 30 minutes or so. White House press briefing. We'll see if we get that in. Cook also speak at 12:30. Before we get out of here, I think we have some announcement. Who won the swag box? Who won the swag box? Come on in. I got to see this.
Andre, yesterday, I've seen people in chat asking. And first of all, I know that means you're not watching Power Hour. So be there, Power Hour, 2 p.m. Volatility comes back and we have fun. But we announced the winner of our swag box number 4 yesterday, including the bomber jacket, Yeti, coolers, luggage tags. And the winner is Patricia L. Congrats, Patricia L. Hopefully you're watching right now. Danielle is eagerly packing up your
Hold on.
swag box, and it will be sent to your house momentarily.
That's me.
What's up, Michael?
Go back real quick. You guys are giving out sweet jackets now?
Bomber.
We're giving out everything.
A bomber?
jacket.
Wow.
A bomber
Nice.
jacket.
I want that black Yeti too.
That's very cool. Mm-hmm. I got that same Yeti
Luggage
thing.
tags are nice.
Patricia won. Congratulations. Look at that.
You guys budget for these swag boxes.
I mean, the boss signed off on it. So congratulations to Patricia.
Didn't make it to my desk, but thumbs up on that. Yeah.
Need a top step laptop. Oh, come on, Bernie. We're trying here. We're grinding higher here. New all-time highs in the NASDAQ. 23,248. Yes, you heard me right. New all-time highs. Gold just about $4 off the high of day there. 33.43. Tilts, we've seen heavy long tilts, heavy short tilts. Jack, you were thinking about perhaps a short in the ES.
Not yet.
You
I mean, like,
stops go pop.
I want to see like stops go off, but we're so near the all-time high. It'll probably make a run at it. That's at like what 43. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. We came very close. I'm a little bit. I'm not sour or FOMO, but like we came real close to playing with that 3,6,300 level this morning. Got about 2.5 points away from it. Congratulations to those that got in on that.
Yep. Good stuff. All right, Michael, before we get out of here, any parting words, any secrets you want to let out here before you get out of here? Top Step X, Top Step TV, or say have a good week and trade for tomorrow. What do you got for us, Michael?
There's something that we're calling Triple Threat, Project Triple Threat internally. And those are the three badass things that we're going to be rolling out.
Leave it at that.
I'm going to leave it at that.
All right, good stuff. I love it. Jack, come on in. We got a couple of minutes left here on Fast Markets. We'll do a little sign off. What's up, Jack?
Oh, nothing.
Order filled.
Updates to those who had been asking and stuff. I'm out tomorrow because I'm actually picking up. It is my wife's last day of chemotherapy is tomorrow.
Wow.
So it's been a wild 7 months on the medical front. I wasn't lying about washing United Health for like $1.7 million. But thanks to the surgeon who I guess coincidentally was named Dr. Lung, and he's a lung surgeon. So he's good. And the whole crew. So end of this chapter, and we'll just keep on keeping on from there. So that's what I got. Have a nice weekend, everyone.
Amazing. Yup. There's more important things in trading. Yes, health. Shout out to Eddie as well. Jack's wife. All right, Baron, you've had a hell of a performance today. We'll just leave it at that. We'll see you on slow markets with Dakota. Any parting words here, Baron?
And reversal challenge.
See you tomorrow.
Should be interesting.
Yes,
Jack, I've had family go through chemo, so I know how tough that is. But right at the end, hopefully everything's all good there.
Order filled.
Hope Eddie's doing well. Overall, great session.
On that, Dakota, we got more Dakota coming at you. Yeah, we got him in reversal challenge at the buzzer. See with slow markets. Dakota, thoughts? Just grinding by the dip, up and away. What do you think?
By the dip, yeah. You like buying the dip, Baron?
I want to see this. I want to see this pull back a little bit. I am still in that short. I'm just gonna leave it on while I go eat. It's 23,260 is my stop. 23,151 is my TP. So about a 2 to 1.
Awesome. Great stuff.
Take care.
Fellas, all right, we
Love
got
it.
morning recap coming up next with Hogue. Then we got dorm room trading with Gabe, Creed, and Dolby. More Gabe with lunchbox trading, Anne Marie, Deanna. Then we got the Top Step X API session with myself. Then we got Power Hour, Dolby, Mohammed, Andre. Markets are making new all-time highs in the NASDAQ. All right, can the ES follow suit? We got Fed speakers coming up. We got a White House press briefing, high noon Central Time. Top Step TV, let's go. New all-time highs. Come on.
First reason why Top Step makes you a better trader is we have a support system and community here. You got to have that, or it is a lonely journey by yourself. 2, because we are helping you improve, building things for you within the trading platform itself that helps you become a better trader. 3, simplicity of payout policies, simplicity of the program. 4 would be the resources we have, the funding we have, and all that just makes great things here at Top Step.